We next have a band all the way from Meghalaya. Khmih is based in Meghalaya and was started in 2011 with the objective of promoting visual arts and performing arts with a little cultural blend. They've released several songs and albums in both contemporary and traditional genres. The society works with youth from villages to promote talent and provide them with a stage to showcase it. They will be performing 3 pieces for us today. O Holy Night by Adolphe Adam, Mary Did You Know by Buddy Green, and K. Wing Kashnong Katao, a traditional piece.
Good evening, Bangalore! Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Wakwar Eliopniel, and I am, on behalf of the Khmih Creative Society, I would like to give a brief profile of the Khmih. We're the Khmih Creative Society, a small choir singing group hailing from a very small town in Nongstoin, which is the headquarters of West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, the beautiful state which is also well known as the abode of clouds. The society is a group of different, talented, beautiful faces. We have a winemaker, a carpenter, photographer, videographer, painters, and so on. We have a small training center. It was started in the year 2011 with the objective to promote different forms of art, like visual art and performing art, with a blend of culture embedded into it. Through its musical group, it has released several songs and albums of the traditional as well as the contemporary genre. The society works basically with children and youth from villages and towns of Meghalaya to uplift, promote, and provide them a platform to showcase their talent and hard work. This evening, the Khmih Creative Society is in collaboration with the metal band, the Thunderscape. We will be performing 3 songs where you will witness one of our young and talented singer, Iban Rila Akorlinkhoy. She's only 10 years old, and I hope you guys are going to love her. Thank you.
this